Designed for imperfect sealing surfaces, engineered and manufactured specifically for the repair environment to help seal imperfect sealing surfaces. Engineered to perform proprietary cork-rubber formulation. Superior seal, highly conformable to accommodate for the imperfect sealing surfaces. Every part for the repair. FelPro gasket sets include every part needed for the repair unless otherwise noted. Real-world tested, parts are tested on vehicle and validated to ensure optimal performance on the road. FelPro gaskets offer 100% vehicle sealing with application-specific materials to give you sealing solutions with the performance and durability professionals trust. Top reviews from the United States. You only have to silicone 8 spots, torque to 33 pounds per foot. Good value. Look online for the silicone spots, but it's where the joints are where metal butts up to other metal.